Welcome back, everyone. I hope you're enjoying today's lesson. In the first part, we learned how to talk about hobbies, express our interests, and use verbs like love, enjoy, and would like to. Now, let's continue by learning how to have longer conversations in English.
I'm ready. I already feel more confident talking about my hobbies.
That's wonderful. Remember, confidence comes from practice. The more English you speak, the easier it becomes. Michael, what do you usually do on weekends?
My weekends are usually relaxing. On Saturday morning, I wake up a little later than usual. After breakfast, I go for a walk in the park if the weather is nice.
That sounds peaceful. Do you spend time with your family?
Yes, I do. I usually visit my parents or invite them to my home for lunch. We enjoy talking about our week and sharing stories.
That's lovely. Family time is very important.
I agree. In the afternoon, I sometimes meet my friends. We play football, have coffee, or watch a movie together.
Do you have a favorite movie genre?
Yes. I enjoy action movies, documentaries, and comedies. I like movies that teach me something or make me laugh.
That's a great combination. What about music?
I listen to music almost every day. Music helps me relax after a busy day.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music, soft rock, and instrumental music. Sometimes I listen to relaxing music while reading a book.
Excellent. Music is a wonderful way to improve your mood. Let's learn some useful expressions that native English speakers use. Spend time with. Example, I spend time with my family every weekend. Be interested in. I'm interested in photography. Be good at. I'm good at cooking. Try something new. I want to try something new this year. Have fun. We always have fun when we play together. Now let's use them in a conversation. Maria, Michael, are you interested in learning new skills? Yes, I am. I'm interested in learning photography and playing the guitar. Are you good at cooking?
I think so. I'm not a professional chef, but I can cook simple and healthy meals.
That's excellent. Would you like to try another hobby this year?
Yes. I'd like to learn gardening because I enjoy spending time outdoors.
Wonderful choice. Let's improve your pronunciation. Repeat after me slowly and clearly. I enjoy reading books. My favorite hobby is playing football. I spend time with my friends every weekend. I would like to learn photography. I love listening to music. I often watch movies with my family. Excellent. Now let's practice sentence stress. Listen carefully. I love reading books. Now you try. I enjoy playing football. I would like to travel more. Very good. Stressing important words makes your English sound more natural. Now listen carefully to Michael's story.
Every Saturday, I wake up around 8 o'clock. After breakfast, I go for a walk in the park. Sometimes I take pictures of flowers and birds because I enjoy photography. In the afternoon, I meet my friends. We usually play football for about an hour. Later, we have dinner together and talk about our favorite hobbies. Before going to bed, I read a book for 30 minutes. Reading helps me relax and learn new things.
Great. Now answer these questions. Question 1. What time does Michael wake up? The answer is around 8 o'clock. Question 2. Why does he take pictures? Because he enjoys photography. Question 3. Who does he meet in the afternoon? He meets his friends. Question 4. What does he do before going to bed? He reads a book. Excellent listening. Now it's your turn. Imagine someone asks you these questions. Try answering in complete sentences. What is your favorite hobby? Why do you enjoy it? How often do you do it? Who do you usually do it with? What hobby would you like to learn in the future? Take your time and answer aloud. Here's an example. My favorite hobby is reading books. I enjoy reading because I learn new ideas and improve my English vocabulary. I usually read every evening before bed. Sometimes I read alone, and sometimes I discuss books with my friends. In the future, I would like to learn photography because I enjoy taking beautiful pictures. Notice how the answer is complete and natural. Mini quiz. Let's review today's lesson. Question 1. Which sentence is correct? A. I enjoy read books. B. I enjoy reading books.
The correct answer is B. I enjoy reading books. Maria, excellent. Question 2. Complete the sentence. I underscore 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 playing football. A like B likes. The answer is like.
Correct. Question 3. Which sentence talks about a future wish? A. I play football every weekend. B. I would like to learn the guitar.
The correct answer is B. I would like to learn the guitar.
Well done. Question 4. Which word means something you enjoy doing in your free time? A. Hobby. B. Breakfast. C. Office.
The answer is hobby.
Perfect. Let's review today's important words. Hobby, free time. Reading, cooking, traveling, photography, gardening, drawing, painting, swimming, football, music, movie, always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never, would like to, enjoy, favorite, interested in, spend time, have fun, try something new. Repeat these words several times today. Repetition helps you remember vocabulary more easily. Learning English is like learning any new skill. You don't become fluent in one day. Every conversation, every new word, and every lesson makes you stronger. Don't compare yourself with other learners. Compare yourself with who you were yesterday. If you know 10 more words today than you knew last week, you're making progress.
That's true. When I started learning English, I could only say a few simple sentences. Now I can talk about my daily routine, my hobbies, and even my future plans. Small steps every day create big results.
Congratulations! Today you learned how to talk about hobbies and free time activities in English. You learned new vocabulary, useful grammar, common expressions, and practice speaking, listening, and pronunciation. Keep reviewing today's lesson until you can answer questions naturally without reading.
Thank you for learning with us today. We hope you're becoming more confident with every lesson.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, join us again tomorrow for another episode of Fluent English Daily. In Day 6, we'll learn how to talk about food and ordering at a restaurant, one of the most useful real-life English conversations you'll ever need.
Until then, keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember that every day is another opportunity to improve your English.
Thank you for watching. Take care, stay positive, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, and happy learning.